Teaching is both a science and an art. In deciding learning objectives, assessments, and instructional activities, teachers must rely on common sense and knowledge of their students to apply scientific or research-based solutions. In EdTech 501, I wrote an annotated bibliography on flipped classrooms. I wanted to make the best use of my class time, and I had seen videos about flipped classrooms on YouTube. My research did not show any applications for K-12 language arts classes specifically, but I was able to find post-secondary applications. Completing this research gave me ideas about how I could at least partially flip my classroom. I have applied this knowledge by posting just-in-time tools, videos, and other learning tools on Google Classroom. My students complete most reading assignments at home, and we discuss them in class. Flipped classrooms can work with any subject matter, but they seem easier when students have internet access at home. Modeling is one research-based technique that I employ in my classroom. For EdTech 541, I created a video that models my expectations for assignments and procedures. My students used this video several times the year I created it, and they liked that they had constant access to examples for answering questions using claims and evidence. One thing I learned from making this video is that I need to chunk information into smaller segments. I plan to remake this video into several shorter ones so that it can function as a just-in-time tool for my students. Just-in-time tools allow students to access information as they need it to complete a task. When I created my Literary Concepts unit for EdTech 506, I created it with a flipped classroom in mind. I realized that for students to successfully complete one of the assignments, they would need a tool that helped them annotate their text so they would be prepared for class discussion and their writing assignment. This just-in-time tool explains what annotation is, why students should use it, and how to mark their text. We annotate most texts in my classroom, and this tool has assisted students who were absent as well as those who did not understand in class. This tool would be useful to students preparing to write an essay and to teachers introducing annotation or close reading to their students.